So let's talk a few features and a few prices. You have to be at least a Vimeo Pro member or above to be able to sell on demand. It isn't free. It's going to cost you, here, look, £16 a month billed annually. So what's that? 160, £192. But that's for an annual service, and you can use Vimeo Pro for other things. You have to have that minimum subscription though. Then after that, when you sell your stuff, you are going to take home 90% of the revenue after transaction costs. You can choose whether people rent, buy, or subscribe and set your own price. And you can sell worldwide tons of devices. So you're basically going to be able to put your video on a specific, on Vimeo, buy now price, rent now price, subscribe, or you can put it on your website with a buy now button on the video, or anywhere you want to share it. This will make it very easy for people to buy off you, but it is not free. It is at least £16 a month to do this, right? If we go to Vimeo pricing, I've got it open over here, over here. The Pro version is £16 a month, and I've put a link at the bottom if anybody would. At the minute, I'm not a Vimeo partner, but by the time you watch this, I might be. So I'll get a little bit of commission, but it is £16 a month, £16 a month, but you will get the Pro features. There's obviously two more further up steps to pay for that. At this point, I'm just going to presume that you have to go with at least Pro, but I'm going to show you what you will, in the next lessons, I'll show you exactly how you would do it when you have any of these three tiers that you've paid for. So I'm sorry if you're not expecting to pay, then this video is no good for you. Vimeo is no good for you. You may have to look at other solutions to sell your videos if you don't want to pay any sort of subscription fee to start with. I personally think it's a really good way to do it. And if you can afford it, it is the easiest way for you to sell your video.